back to my channel. Thank you for always stopping by, and thank you for the new subscribers. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a hand tag, be for your clothing business, for your hair business, or whatever business you have. So right now I've opened my Canva. What I'm going to do is use a business card template. So I'll be using my pro account, but you can see achieve this using a free account. Right now I'm just showing you the different kind of business template available, but we're going to use the blank template. So right now, once I open that, I'm just going to have it in this like rectangle form, and right above where you're going to see me place my mouse is where it says resize. You have the option to resize only when you have the pro account, but I'm going to show you how to put in the sizes using your free account. So the pro account is a 3.5 in width to inches height. So in order to like reverse the shape to this form, make it easy for you to edit, I'm going to show you how to do that. So go on create design, go on custom size. There you're going to put the width to 2 and the height 3.5 inches. Once that is done, hit enter and it's going to bring you to this blank page. Right now we're ready to edit. I like using the element because it gives me a lot of options when it comes to background, colors, design, and all this stuff. So I'm under element and I'm looking for a rose gold background. So as you can see, I have different colors. I'm just moving them around, try to see what I would like to work with. And once I find that, I'll go ahead, and type like a silver background. That's what I'm going to use like to add additional design to the card. So just keep on watching and I'll just pop in once in a while to explain other things to you further. Enjoy. So as you can see, I'm designing the tag to the style I want. You can design it whatever color, whatever style you want, whatever thing work for your business, that's good. And you will notice I really make use most of the time of elements because I have the option to go under photos, other graphics, under videos, even though I don't need it, but it has so much options. Like if I would have gone on the background, I'll have like limited backgrounds to use. So that's why I love using elements. And other than elements, I'm going to be using like the font, the sizes, like to make the letters bigger and smaller, and I'm going to use the text as well. So that's mostly the features I'm using on Canva, but you can explore it and see whatever works for you and your business. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section the type of video you would like to watch from me, and if you want me to do like a video to go over the features on Canva. Again, you can achieve this, be it a hand tag or a logo, whatever thing you want with Canva using a free account. You don't need to have a pro account, but I have other things I do on the side that using the pro account makes it way easier. So that's why I have a pro account. but again, you don't need to have a pro account to achieve whatever thing you want. And one thing I like about Canva is that you're able to print your design and they're gonna deliver it to your address. So, and that is what I usually do. But if you don't want to go through Canva, you can see save the design to your computer and print it to whatever service you have, or if you have any printer at home that works for you. And while making the tags, you want to make sure you keep a little bit of space at the top where you're gonna have to like punch the tag thing to connect to your cloth or whatever thing you have. So make sure you keep a little bit of space for that. And I think that will be it. If you have any questions, please ask that in the comment section and I will be happy to answer you. Stay safe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts. Stay safe. Love you guys always. Bye bye.